Is it the right time to buy or sell Palantir stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Palantir. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, January 25, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important to stay informed about any significant updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at stockinvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 24, 2024, our system has identified Palantir as a potential sell candidate, giving it a score of -1.68. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a loss of -1.73%. This means that on average, it has been declining by -0.87% per day since it was listed as a sell candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a downward trend in the short term, which presents a potential buying opportunity. If the price falls below $15.62, it may indicate a stronger decline. Looking ahead, the 3-month trend suggests a possible change of -7.70% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from -12.39% to 12.88%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 106.59% change over the next year, offering a potential return between 103.04% and 194.59%. This means the stock could reach a price range of $33.42 to $48.49 in a year's time. Our latest update on Palantir reveals that its stock price experienced a decline of 1.73% on Thursday. On the last trading day, Thursday, January 25, 2024, the Palantir stock price dropped by 1.73%, decreasing from $16.75 to $16.46. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $16.31 and a high of $17, representing a 4.23% difference. In the past 10 days, the stock has fallen in 6 of them, resulting in an overall decrease of 1.97%. Notably, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which is generally considered a positive indication as volume typically follows the stock. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by 748,000 shares on the last day, with a total of 41 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $679.59 million. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, its highest price was $21.85, while the lowest price was $7.04. Currently, the stock price is 24.67%, equivalent to $5.39, below the 52-week high. Moreover, it is 63.42%, equivalent to $28.54, below its all-time high, which occurred on January 27, 2021, when the price reached $45. Welcome to today's video on analyst ratings. On Friday, January 5, 2024, Jefferies gave PLTR a grade of underperform with a downgrade action. Moving on to Friday, November 3, 2023, Wedbush gave PLTR a grade of outperform with a hold action. On Tuesday, September 19, 2023, Wedbush once again gave PLTR a grade of outperform with a hold action. Let's go back to Thursday, August 31, 2023, when Morgan Stanley gave PLTR a grade of underweight with a downgrade action. Lastly, on Tuesday, August 8, 2023, Raymond James gave PLTR a grade of outperform with a hold action. Analysts have given Palantir stock a general rating of buy. They have rated the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of buy. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for Palantir stock. At the moment, there are mixed signals for Palantir. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest a negative forecast for the stock, indicating sell signals. Additionally, the relation between these two signals also gives a general sell signal, with the long-term average being above the short-term average. If the stock experiences any price corrections, it may face resistance at $16.82 and $17.15. However, if the stock breaks above these levels, it may issue buy signals. It's worth noting that the volume of trading decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume usually follows price movements. On Friday, January 5, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 3% rise so far. This indicates a potential further rise until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also supports a buy signal. Today, let's explore some interesting signals that you might find useful in your trading strategy. One signal to pay attention to is the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently showing a buy signal. Another signal worth considering is the pivots, with a buy signal that was generated 14 days ago. The Bollinger Indicator is also showing a buy signal that occurred 14 days ago. On the other hand, the short-term moving average is indicating a sell signal that occurred 3 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is also indicating a sell signal that occurred 3 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages is showing a buy signal that occurred 32 days ago. Taking a look at the 12-month chart, we can observe that the short moving average is indicating a sell signal that occurred 3 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is also indicating a sell signal that occurred 3 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages is showing a buy signal that occurred 7 days ago. If you're interested in exploring more signals, make sure to visit our page at stockinvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Palantir. Palantir's current stock price is supported by accumulated volume at $16.39. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as historical data suggests an upward reaction when the support is tested. In other words, the stock price may increase from this point. When considering the risk of trading Palantir's stock, it is important to note that it has average movements during the day and a good trading volume. This means that the risk is considered to be medium. On the previous day, the stock price fluctuated between a high of $16.39 and a low of $15.70, which is a difference of $0.690 or 4.23%. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 4.39%. Before we delve into the potential trading levels for Palantir, let's first review some essential fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. The P/E ratio for Palantir is noticeably high, which suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such elevated ratios. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 12, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $0.0800. It's crucial to keep an eye on these figures as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Today, let's dive into the potential day trading levels for Palantir. In an upward trend, the first resistance level for Palantir stands at $17.97. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be an interesting level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Palantir faces its first support level at $16.39. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the possibility of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Palantir has received a combined average rating of buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On January 3, 2024, Schiff Alexandra W. sold 4,000 shares of Class A common stock. On January 2, 2024, Stat Lauren Elena Friedman sold 6,000 shares of Class A common stock. On January 2, 2024, Moore Alexander D. sold 21,900 shares of Class A common stock. On December 6, 2023, Planishek Heather A. sold 27,608 shares of Class A common stock. On December 1, 2023, Schiff Alexandra W. sold 4,000 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power ratio to be negative at -19.868. In total, insiders have purchased 8,155,717 shares and sold 12,449,053 shares in the last 100 trades. After careful evaluation, we have determined that this stock is performing poorly and we do not recommend investing in it. It is important to note that no stop loss has been set for this stock. Is Palantir stock a good buy? We have analyzed Palantir's performance and unfortunately, we have found several negative signals indicating that it may continue to perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. As a result, our evaluation of this stock is negative. However, it's worth noting that our systems have identified that the current price of Palantir is undervalued, based on its volatility in recent movements. Looking ahead to trading on Friday, January 26, we anticipate Palantir to open up by $0.130, starting the day's trading at $16.59. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please be aware that stockinvest.us is not a basis for making investment decisions. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Welcome to our channel, Stock Invest. Today, we're taking a closer look at the current view of this stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below and share your opinions. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Engage with us by liking and subscribing to our channel. We're here to assist you in achieving successful trading. And of course, we hope you have a beautiful day. Regards from all of us at Stock Invest.